Well, my name is Ian. I was previously an intern over at Eggs Unlimited. We're here at the career fair. I'm joined with
Danny. I am currently want to be an intern. I'm here at the career fair.
And we're here to talk a little bit about eggs since we are Eggs Unlimited. So first question, how do you like your eggs?
I like my eggs scrambled, but I'm not too picky on my eggs. I like my eggs however they come. You?
However they come. I like that.
Yeah.
Scrambled's good.
Scrambled.
Do you scramble with butter, cream, or do you just straight up scramble?
Oh, I like scrambled with, I put particularly pimienta negra, which is Spanish. It's black. What is it? Black bean? I think black
bean.
Black. What's the black? You know the salt. Black pepper. Is it black
pepper? I think, yeah.
I'm sorry. I always say it in Spanish. Black. Put oil. Then I put ham. Sometimes if I want to get crazy, I put the sandwich. I make it a sandwich. How do you make your eggs in particular?
That sounds really good. I think if I scramble, I like scrambling and making a burrito. Ooh. I love like spinach wraps, all the different like healthy wraps. Take that, eggs, ham. Ham is a great play. A little bit of cheese, you know, I'm feeling it. If I can, you know.
You can,
and then like a fancy hot sauce. I like fancy hot sauces that I can put on it.
Hot sauce? You know what's funny? I actually don't. I don't really like hot sauce, if I'm being honest.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a big spice guy. I'm a big sweet guy though. I love sweets.
Is there a sweet way to eat eggs? Wait. What is the I'm forgetting off the top of my head. But flan. Flan is made with a ton of eggs.
Flan?
Have you had flan?
Oh, flan!
Yeah.
I love flan.
It's made with a ton of eggs. It's an egg dessert.
Yeah,
it's literally
it's just eggs, right? It's just an egg cake, but it's eggs. Wow, if you really think about it, eggs is really revolutionary. Like, imagine what we wouldn't have without. Imagine cakes. There'd be no birthdays without eggs.
No birthdays.
Yeah, there'd be no birthdays.
Did you know today is Eggs Unlimited 7-year birthday?
Oh,
it's our 7-year anniversary.
Congrats. I didn't. Wow, 7 years?
Oh yeah.
Are you guys going for 27, 37?
We're going for 77. We're going all the way out
6,
there.
7.
You asked me already. What is my favorite type of eggs?
Yeah.
My favorite way. Probably flan. No. But maybe my girlfriend's mom makes the most amazing flan in the entire world.
Ooh.
So, you know, I could say that, but it's what I like to make. So what I like to make, if I'm just taking any type of egg, I like to poach an egg.
Like to what?
Poach an egg.
Poach an egg.
Poach an egg. You get in the hot water.
Yeah.
And you make a big swirl the water around, and then drop the egg in, and the yolk and the whites like kind of circle around it. And then it comes out as a little ball. It's like a little ball. You break it open, the yolk it just flows out, and I put it on Eggs Benedict.
Eggs Benedict?
Eggs Benedict.
You guys,
English muffin.
So it has the white inside, and then you just tear it apart.
The white's on the outside.
The white's on the outside, and then you tear apart the actual yolk, right?
Yep. You put it right on top. It's English muffin, slice of ham, poached egg, and hollandaise sauce. It's like a butter egg sauce that you just throw on top.
Muffin, take it out, put it in, and you put the sauce on top.
And then you cut right down the middle. Yolk everywhere. I'm gonna put you on.
Yeah, no, like, is this a real thing?
Yes, it is.
Is that a name?
Eggs Benedict. Any Eggs Benedict. Go any like country style breakfast spot, you'll find it.
Okay, I just searched Eggs Benedict, right? And it's
Eggs Benedict. You'll find
muffin, and it has.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like baffled at the fact that that's a thing. I know you can do a lot of things with eggs.
It's hard to make, but if you give it a try.
Yeah, maybe I can do it.
Well. Let me know how it goes.
Yeah, for sure. Have you ever watched Regular Show by any chance?
I have. I love Regular Show. Oh my gosh.
Excellent
challenge.
Yes.
Oh, the hat.
Yeah.
Ooh, we should make one of those. I need to tell Adam.
I think one of my favorite morning things are eggs. I love eggs. Eggs, pancakes, particularly eggs, because you can do anything with eggs. If you think about it, you can put a burrito, you can just make it yourself. Or sometimes I like to have the eggs and then have the tortilla on the side, and then just like rip the tortilla while I'm eating it.
Oh.
Yeah. So like eggs and ham, and then instead of like making it a burrito, I'll just like cut it.
Rip it off.
Yeah, grab and then I'll just eat it like that. Yeah.
I love eating with my hands. That sounds fun. I'm gonna try that next time.
I don't like having to wash the fork. No.
Less dishes. You get a paper plate, throw it all on.
Yeah. I'm really like that. Like I'll stand and I'll put like the paper plate on top. I don't even want to sit. That's how lazy I am.
Eggs are great because like there is no dish, you know. It's in a shell.
Eggs in itself.
You crack it, throw the shell away. Everything on there cooks. After you scrape it all up, there's nothing left. Boom.
Honestly, I don't know what I would do without eggs.
Great speaking to you today,
Thank
man.
you.
Wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for listening to our little egg rant over here. And we'll see you later. Peace. Awesome.
Thank you, man.
Good work.